Hello Libras, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. So Libras, today is the reading for you. What is next in your relationship? So if you are in a relationship with someone, whether contact or no contact, this is reading for you. And if you're Libra, your sun, moon, rising or Venus is Libra, this is reading for you. Okay, so let's see what is next in your relationship. First, let's check what is the current situation of your relationship, Libra. Current situation of your relationship. Okay, we got 8 of Swords. Maybe you're dealing with a Gemini, Libra or Aquarius partner. Then we have Knight of Wands, 3 of Swords, and we have Queen of Pentacles. Okay, Libra, I feel that you are dealing with a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius partner, or a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, these are the signs here. So Libras, right now your condition is this: 3 of Swords. You are hurted and someone has hurted you very badly. Maybe this partner has blocked you. Maybe you're in no contact situation. Okay, maybe this partner has broken your heart, or maybe this partner's heart chakra is closed right now for you. But this partner has kept you stuck from so long. Maybe you're waiting for this partner for like 8 months or 3 years or 3 months, I don't know. Okay, so this part, basically there's a waiting game going on here. But now Libras, instead of being stuck, you are focused on yourself. Finally you have freed yourself from this situation, and now you are this Queen of Pentacles. You are focusing on yourself, you are focusing on your growth, your career, your finances, your life, your looks, your body, and your emotional health. Okay, and this partner is now ready to take action for you. Maybe this partner was immature in the past, but now like you are manifesting this partner, right? And this partner is now ready for this action, for this next level commitment. Okay, and this partner, I see that this partner is in action mode, but they have hurted you. So now it's up to you in whether you will forgive them or not. But this partner has literally broken your heart, or maybe there were some arguments between you both. Okay, so there was some tough situation or tough cycle which is ending. Okay, now let's see what is next in your relationship. Next in your relationship. The World, 10 of Wands, Ace of Swords, King of Wands, King of Cups, and 3 of Wands. Okay, so basically there is a new beginning in your relationship. This partner wants a new beginning with you. And I also feel that many of you are like now totally over this partner. Many of you want a new partner now. Okay, like 5% of you. So there will be a choice between two persons, King of Cups and King of Wands. Now it's your call who you want to choose, but there will be two choices. Okay, or maybe this is the same partner, but now they are ready in every way. Like they have their emotional side, they have their practical side. Okay, so now this partner is like an overall package for you. This partner is completely changed, or they are changing. Okay, or maybe these are your energies. This is your partner, this is you. Now you both are on the same page. Your partner is King of Cups and you are King of Wands. Like you both are like both the kings. These are the energies. Okay, you are male, female, doesn't matter. Okay, so you both are in the action mode, but your partner is totally ready for this action for you. And maybe there's a long distance, there's a waiting going on here, or maybe this partner is waiting for that correct moment when they can take action for you. But there's a long distance. Okay, there's a waiting, but I see that this partner is calling you, messaging you, and they're unblocking you. Okay, like if you're waiting for so long, this partner is also waiting for that right moment when they can call you or message or take action for you. Okay, but this partner is definitely calling you, unblocking you, and this partner is, I think, realizing their mistake. This partner has realized that how much they have hurted you, and there's a burden on their heart, and I think they'll apologize to you first of all. And there was like a negative cycle going on between you both, and which is ending very soon. And this partner is definitely is in action mode now. Okay, they are matured, they know their responsibilities, they know their duties towards you, and this partner is like genuinely sorry for their actions for you. Okay, and there's a world card, so different, there's a distance, or maybe they're living in some another country, or maybe some another state, but this partner is genuinely sorry for their actions, for whatever hurt they have given to you. Okay, let's see true feelings of this partner for you. True feelings of this partner for you. True feelings of this partner for you. We have the garden and we have yin and yang. So yeah, this partner considers you your soulmate. Okay, and this partner definitely feels that divine connection with you. Okay, this partner feels that there is that invisible bond that binds you both, and this partner considers you their divine feminine. Definitely you are their divine feminine, and this is a kind of a soulmate connection. That's why all these challenges, these hurdles are coming. Okay, and there's a long distance also, but you guys are kind of spiritually connected. Okay, and I think many of you will forgive this partner and will start this fresh new cycle again, because we have the world card. So this cycle is ending and new cycle is starting. So there is an ending and a beginning in this relationship. Okay, now let's see what will happen in future of this relationship. What will happen next in this relationship? We have community. So yeah, maybe this partner is thinking to like introduce you to his parents. Okay, and maybe your parents are meeting, or there's a gathering, there's a community gathering, maybe you guys are getting engaged or something. Okay, people are involved, and we are flexible. So I think these tough times have made you flexible, and your partner also. So now I think you will just let go all the petty issues, and now you will focus on the big picture. You guys are flexible now, and we are blessed. So definitely this relationship is a blessing for you. Okay, and this partner feels that you are blessing in their life, and angels are blessing this relationship. Fork in the road. Now is the time for decision. This partner have to take a decision now. Okay, and maybe this partner is confused a little bit. Okay, but now there's a clarity in their mind that they want you, because they are basically in the action mode for you. You are their soulmate. Then we are between worlds. So yeah, there's a confusion. This partner needs some time to come from this darkness to this light. Okay, so there's a confusion, or you are confused whether to forgive this partner or not. But I think ultimately you will forgive, and you will forget all the past bad experiences, and then there's a new beginning in this relationship. Okay, let's see more guidance for you, Libra. An exciting event. So there's going to be an exciting event in this relationship, or this partner is coming. That itself is an exciting event. Victory. So there's a victory in this relationship. Okay, if you will not give up, if you just forgive this partner, so there's a victory. Fear, worries, tense situation. So right now there is a tense situation going on. You are confused at what will happen next. A goal oriented person. So now this partner is like on target. Now their ultimate goal is to have you in their life. Then we have celebration, fun, enjoyment. So yeah, times of fun, celebration, and enjoyment are coming. Okay, have some patience, and definitely there's a victory in this relationship, and this partner will take action for you very soon, and they will apologize. Okay guys, Libra, so this is your reading. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.